Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, here today to introduce our new line of micro cameras to iBEAM. Our micro cameras provide a smaller option for customers who are limited on space and still want the safety and convenience of a camera and want a visually appealing option. There are 4 options in the micro camera line. The TE-MICM is a flush mounted option which is 12.5 millimeters, which is smaller than the size of a dime. The TE-MIRW and TE-MIRB, which are 2 bolt-mounted options with IR LEDs for better night visual viewing. And the TE-MICM, which is a bolt-mounted option with a black housing. All these cameras have 500 TV lines of resolution, they're IP68 water resistant, and give the ability to turn parking guidelines on or off. They also have a diagonal viewing angle of 168 degrees. The TE-MIRW, TE-MIRB, and TE-MICM also have the ability to turn the image 180 degrees. That allows the camera to be mounted as a lip mount camera or as a downward facing camera. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, ibeamusa.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.